Hello and welcome back to tutorial 154, and in tutorial 154 we use the market depth provider to calculate the sum of level 1 through 5 ask volume and the same for bid volume, and then we calculated a ratio and plotted the ratio on the chart as you can see here. Now what a Gold Pass member asked me was, would it be possible to, for each bar, plot the maximum value that the ratio reached for that bar and the minimum value that the ratio reached for that bar, and so that is what I've done, and this program will be available for download at no additional cost to Gold Pass members. Let's just have a look at the program, and the first thing I did is I created 3 new variables. Now the first one, ratio, is just going to store the ratio that we calculate. The next two though, max ratio and min ratio, these are both set as intra-bar persist because we're going to be checking these and updating these when the market depth provider is updated, and we do not want the values to be forgotten effectively tick by tick. So we go down, the program remains essentially the same, except I've now put the ratio into this variable ratio, and then we're calculating the max ratio and the min ratio using the max list and min list. These are very useful. In fact, what we do, we just put in a number of variables, which can be more than 2, and what it finds is which one is the greatest. And the way that we've got this set up, that acts as a sort of ratchet, so we find out what the maximum value is for a specific bar, and for the min list that works out what the minimum value is for the bar, and that's a sort of reverse ratchet effect, or a ratchet effect for the minimum. And then we plot the 2 values, and they're updated as we see the market depth provider being updated, but very importantly we have to reset those values. Otherwise it would just keep checking whether the ratio is bigger than the max ratio that has occurred since the program was applied to the chart. And so what we do on the last tick of the bar, we reset the max ratio to 0 and the min ratio to an arbitrary large amount. And then if you just look at the program, you'll see here we have the green line, which is the maximum, and the ratio is just dodging between the maximum and the minimum, as you would expect. Anyway, hopefully you'll find that useful. If you're not part of the Marketplace email list, then please click on the link that I'm going to put below this video, and also if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, then please click on the subscribe below the video, and also the little bell if you'd like to be notified when a new video is released. Thank you very much.